Strategies you can use to cope with annoying tinnitus. Although there are many health conditions that can cause or worsen tinnitus, many times there is no known cause. Often finding a cure can be equally frustrating. Luckily, there are techniques that can bring some relief to people who suffer with this condition. Use the methods outlined in this video to find an approach that works for you. Join a tinnitus support group. Tinnitus can be a very disturbing and disabling problem. It is important that you have support from people who also suffer from this condition. A support group can give you tips on how to deal with tinnitus, as well as on how to figure out what makes yours worse. Try to avoid exposing yourself to loud noises. Carry earplugs with you for situations where you might be exposed to extremely loud noise. You can even shove your fingers in your ears in an extreme case. For many sufferers of tinnitus, loud noises can trigger or make the condition worse. If you believe you might be afflicted with tinnitus, but you're over 50, you should ask your doctor to test you for Meniere's disease. This syndrome can afflict you with the same symptoms that tinnitus can, but is far more serious. Therefore, a diagnosis is important to help treat it before it gets worse. Try to stay away from stressful situations. Tinnitus often gets worse when you feel anxious, possibly because of how stress affects your blood flow. Do your best to think about what situations may be stressful in advance, and choose to do something else instead, so that you will stay calm. You have heard that getting a dog good and tired will make him a better dog. Well, this can also be true for sufferers of tinnitus. The more tired you are when you are going to bed, the easier you will go to sleep. Working out can make tinnitus symptoms better, allowing you to get through your day without as much frustration. Make a playlist of pleasant music. When you have tinnitus and you want to go to sleep, it can be difficult to fall asleep. Making a playlist of your favorite music and play it as you go to sleep. This will help you to ignore the ringing in your ears. If you are already suffering from tinnitus, it is mandatory that you take steps now to protect yourself from any further hearing damage. Stay away from loud noises, and wear hearing protection when you cannot avoid noisy environments. Always keep a supply of earplugs with you so that you can take action right away if you find yourself in a situation that could be potentially harmful to your hearing. As recognized above, there are many causes of tinnitus, as well as many cases where no cause can be found. Regardless of the cause, the effects can be equally devastating when the noise causes a constant humming or ringing in the ear. Thankfully, you can use the techniques that are presented above to at least manage your tinnitus. Hopefully, in the near future, researchers will discover a fast-acting cure for the disorder. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.